Hello everyone. Today I'm so glad that you came and started taking my classes. We're going to specifically talk about hair toppers and hair pieces for women. If you haven't done women before, or you're thinking about joining and adding this service to your salon or your barbershop, women are a huge, big majority of people that have some kind of hair loss. This particular customer has been coming to us at Imagine Hair for quite a while. Her services and her cut-ins to cut in the systems are totally separate prices. We'll get into that on another video. But this one, sit back and relax, enjoy the class. Karen, one of my barbers that's very seasoned in hair replacement, will show you how to use the hair products correctly, how to do a correct shampoo, a spa scalp treatment, which is important. This client is the perimeter soft bond because she has no hair on top from alopecia. And you will see how to attach it, how to take it off, and how to properly clean it and disinfect the system, recondition it, and reattach it. And also what products we highly recommend, which is the Pro Series from Pro Hair Lab, how and what each product does. So this is a very intense class, but a quick class so you can get your feet wet and help a lot of people with hair loss. Enjoy the class. And
this here helps pull everything off. Spray it on the head. Spray it on the system, makes it an easy cleanup. That way you can pull all of the excess polymer off. The Ghost Bond on here to help break up a lot of the polymer on the hair. And like I said, you just want to kind of rub it in, help it a little bit. And then you just let that sit a bit, and that's it. But this is the Apricot Scalp Exfoliator Cream. This one here you can use every 2 to 4 weeks. And we have the two, of course. They're both exfoliator. You don't have to use them both at the same time, but it just depends on the client. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this because, for one, it smells good. Just a little bit once again. And this one is a little bit more coarser than the Remove All. And this is like the second step. The mud helps pull out the impurity. This is a scalp detoxifier. It's a bond preparation. This helps pull up all of the natural oils, the sweat that builds up on the client's head. So you just want to take a little bit. It is super thick, of course, but it's for the best that it is. Ready. All right, how you feel? How you feel?
well, I'm here.
She said, I'm here. That's good. Then that's all that counts for me. I love that you're here. We're going to battle this together. Okay, so she's good to go. And we use everything, Ghost Bond. We use their shampoo. We use their cleanser. We use their exfoliator. And we made everything work.